Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy F12 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll a little and tap on the display. Here we have to scroll down again in order to find screen timeout, and let's tap on it. Here we've got some screen timeout options from which we can choose. We've got 15 or 30 seconds, and the 30 seconds option is right now applied, but we can set also 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. So in order to change the screen timeout, all you have to do is to simply tap on the time you'd like to use. So I will pick 5 minutes, and as you can see right now it is marked. After getting back you can see that it is also notified right here that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Samsung Galaxy F12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.